Are you tired of spending countless hours each week managing your childcare billing and payments? Are you looking for ways to streamline your processes and save time and effort? Look no further. In this video, we'll share some tips and tricks for efficient management of childcare billing. As a childcare provider, we understand that managing billing and payments can be a tedious and time-consuming task. However, with the right tools and strategies, you can simplify this process and save yourself a lot of time and effort. In this video, we'll share some tips and tricks that can help you manage your childcare billing more efficiently. Tip 1. Use a billing software. The first tip for efficient childcare billing is to use a billing software. With the right software, you can automate many of the tasks involved in billing and payment collection. A good billing software can help you create invoices, track payments, and even send reminders to parents who are behind on their payments. This can save you a lot of time and reduce the risk of errors. Tip 2. Set up a payment schedule. The second tip is to set up a payment schedule. By setting up a payment schedule with parents, you can ensure that you receive payments on time and avoid any confusion or misunderstandings. Be clear about the payment due dates and the consequences of late payments. You can also consider offering a discount for parents who pay in advance or on time. Tip 3. Communicate clearly. The third tip for efficient childcare billing is to communicate clearly with parents. Make sure that parents understand your billing policies and procedures. Be available to answer any questions they may have and provide regular updates on their billing and payment status. This can help build trust and reduce the risk of conflicts or disputes. Tip 4. Keep accurate records. The fourth and final tip is to keep accurate records of your billing and payment activities. Make sure you keep track of all invoices, payments received, and any outstanding balances. This can help you identify any issues or discrepancies and ensure that you are paid correctly and on time. In conclusion, managing childcare billing can be a challenging task, but with the right tools and strategies, you can streamline the process and save yourself a lot of time and effort. Use a billing software, set up a payment schedule, communicate clearly, and keep accurate records to ensure that your billing and payment activities run smoothly. Follow us for more ideas and increase growth of your preschool. Visit our website www.mykidreports.com.